Hi everybody, it's Murray Elborn, President of US Blind Tennis, and today we're going to do a forehand drill where we are using an Eastern grip with the thumb around the front of the racket and the knuckles around the back of the racket. And you're going to hold the racket quite tightly and the ball's going to be fed into me, and then I'm going to walk into the shot on the second bounce and hit it back over the net. Okay.
All right, ready?
Yes.
Okay. Ready?
Yes.
Wait. Ready?
Yes.
Wait. Ready?
Yes.
Wait.